In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange slides in your presentation. Now, I have here 10 slides that I'm using for my presentation, and I want to go ahead and rearrange these slides. For instance, I want the slide 6 to be number 2, and then number 2 to be number 6. Now, all I need to do to change this number 6 slide to number 2 is to long press on it, and then move to the place where I want it to be, and then I'll leave it at that. Now, as you can see, it has taken the place of number 2, but the slide that was number 2 has taken the place of number 3. So if you are comfortable with the changes, you can leave it at that. But for my case, this was the previous slide that was number 2, and I would like it to occupy number 6. To do so, I'll repeat the same process. I'll long press on this slide, and then take it to the slide or to the place where I want it to be. Once I get there, I'll hold the mouse. I must make sure it is replacing the previous slide, and then leave it at that. And as you can see, it has taken now the place of number 6. So that's how you rearrange slides in your presentation in Canva. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.